right, so on this one it says, what is the range of the absolute value function? So as you guys are sketching these in your notes, just point out a couple of points on the graph. For example, this point here is -7, 0, and this point here is 7, 0, and then this point here is 0, 7. It doesn't matter, but that way it gives you a frame of reference of what's going on. Anyways, back to the question. What is the range? Well, the range of a function is all possible y values. So this particular one, I think the greatest value for y is 7. In other words, you'll never see 8. You'll never see 9 in any, because the graph doesn't go any higher than 7. This is the vertex. That's the highest point. So then if that's the highest point, that means that my y value, which has a lower boundary and an upper boundary, the highest value you can have is 7. Can you include 7? Yeah, because this point right here is defined at 7. Now, what's the lowest point? Well, this thing goes on forever in both directions. So what's the lowest y value you could have? Could you have negative a million? Could you have -2 billion? So what's one way to say really, really, really negative number if it goes on forever? In other words, how do I say goes on forever in the negative direction? Yes. Negative infinity. That's it. Remember, when we go down forever in the y direction, y is approaching negative infinity. It's not an actual number. It's just saying this thing doesn't stop. It just keeps going. If you said -10 billion, I could say -10 billion and 1. It goes on forever. So it never has an end, so we say infinity. Anyway, let me scroll back up so you guys can copy that.